What do you see, Ken, as being, without giving away the secret sauce, but Revelwood has been so successful, the #1 partner in the US. As I say, without giving away the secret sauce for everyone, but what do you see as being the factors that has made Revelwood so successful? Because we'll obviously lift and drop that and use that experience into our European clients.
Sure,
as well.
Great question, timely question. So I would say, first of all, it's about our people. And when I look at our people and the lens of how we look at our people, there are two sort of ways that we see that. The first is what they bring to the table, the skill sets, right? We are a technology company, but most of our people are really experts and experienced in the Office of Finance. So they're experienced with finance and accounting, and that's the background they have, and that's how they come into the organization. We speak business first when we're working with our clients. So it's not like we start with a discussion about technology and bits and bytes and such. We talk about the business problem, the challenges, the opportunities that our clients are facing and want to achieve, and we sort of bring that. So we bring that influence to the table, and I think that's really important. The other thing about our people is our culture. Culture is very important to us, and we have a set of core values that we literally live and breathe every day. It's not something that we just have sort of a poster on the wall. You've seen that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? We're telling stories about our people and how they exhibit our core values every day. Peers are doing that with each other. It's a very exciting sort of environment, and it's a very uplifting and supportive environment, I think, and we're sort of embedded in those core values. So that's really the first factor, which is the people factor. I think secondly, we're very conscious about scale, and so process is such an important part of what we do, and we've sort of built an infrastructure which will allow us to scale and grow. We're sort of, not sort of a small team of one-off consultants that find a project and then work on the project and then go find the next project. Sort of that leads into the third, what I would say the third and final factor is we look at our market and we look at the customer from a very complete life cycle point of view, starting from the very beginning prior to a sale. We call it pre-sales, where we've got teams around branding and lead generation and development. We've got our sales and pre-sales teams making sure that the prospect is going to have the right experience with us and the right fit and the right tool and such. And then we have, of course, our services team, which is the single largest team at Revelwood. We even have a client success team that's focused purely on making sure clients are successful and happy and continuing to work with us. So I think when we put all those three factors together, sort of our people, our process and scale, and our focus on the customer and delighting our customers and having a very sort of broad view of the customer, I think that's really what's made us achieve what we have, and we are very much ready and excited to bring that to the European market.
Yeah. And I suppose it's been highlighted over the last 3 days, as you said at the beginning. We've been here in an offsite, and it has been a lot of focus on culture, a lot of focus on process, and a lot of focus on doing the right thing for our customers to make sure that we do deliver excellence across all of our customer base, and that, as I say, will be will be echoed and enhanced as we bring it over to Europe as well over the next weeks and months.
Agreed. And I think most importantly, we're going to be launching EMBA, which is the European Mini Basketball Association, and that'll be a lot of fun for everyone. And if you search on the internet, you might find more about that. You can cut that last part. That was just for us,
That's good.